Sa ganyang kalayo, hanggang saan yung smallest size of letters, yung kaya mong i-focus na hindi mo fino-force. Yung relax lang yung mata mo. So, hanggang dito. Second to the smallest. So, comfortable and clear naman siya. Okay, so that's good. Sige, so kunin lang natin to. Okay, kunin ko lang yung prescription natin. Sige, magpikit ka muna. Okay, sige. So, ngayon ma'am, discuss na natin ano yung findings natin as of now. So, yun nga. Nabanggit mo, you had a recent check-up a few months ago. Nabanggit is merong astigmatism. Okay? So, currently, upon checking, yes, meron talagang presence of astigmatism on both eyes. Okay? Yun nga lang, basing sa clarity, sa malayo, may difficulties talaga. Okay? Yun lang din, with astigmatism kasi, tendency talaga, may times na masakit yung ulo mo, magiging silawin ka sa ilaw. Okay? Extending more than 20 minutes, pwede na kasi mag-cause ng eye strain.
We battle your sight, we can.